Hello guys, this is Rutuja and welcome to Craftinger's official YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you everything that you should know about Leap-In Art. So yeah, let's get started. So Craftinger has this Leap-In Art kit. So I'm quickly gonna brief you what all things you get in this kit. So first up is your acrylic paints in the shade of pale pink, pale green, poppy yellow, turquoise blue and white. Then you have your Fevicryl molded clay, clear varnish and 5 different types of mirror for you guys to play with. And then comes your painting brush, and after that you have your 3 types of MDF board, out of which 2 has pre-marking for you guys and one of them is blank for you guys to explore any new design if you want to. The kit which I have shown you just now is in the size of 8 inch, but it is also available of size 12 inches and it comes with 2 types of different MDF board and pattern for you guys to choose from. If you want, you can go ahead with this as well. Now that our material are all sorted, we'll get started with the process. Fevicryl molded clay needs no introduction, but if you're a beginner, then let me get you familiar with it. So it comes with 2 components, one is resin and other one is hardener. You got to mix both components very well and form this good white dough. And I'm using this Johnson's Baby talcum powder. You can use any talcum powder that you have handy at your home and just roll out few thin ropes out of it. So this Fevicol bottle also comes along with this kit, and we'll be applying a very thin layer of glue following our pre-marking, and on top of that we'll be sticking our clay ropes. Gently press on those so that it stick to the board nicely. I'm using X-Acto knife to cut the ends of a clay rope to get that sharp finish. You can use any sharp tool that you have handy at your home to get that precise and clean look. Now that our inner circles are done, we'll move on to the petals part of it to get that exact petal shape. So the trick is that you will cut your clay and then pinch the top part of it to get that pointy effect. I would say Leap-In Art in general is very easy, but just that while doing this petal part, you need to be little more attentive and careful while doing it. So like this, following few steps and tricks, we'll be completing our board and we'll keep it aside for drying for at least 4-5 hours or a day. After it is all dried up, we'll be moving on to painting parts. So we'll give a base layer of white acrylic paint. Doing this step will make your colors pop out even more. So do your base layer, keep it aside for drying and come back after an hour or 2, and we'll be moving on to our painting with this poppy yellow color in the inner circle of it. Then I'm following it up with this pale green color. You can choose and mix match any color combination as you please. In Craftinger's acrylic color, you don't need to add extra water to it. Make sure that you are going in with extra acrylic color layers to get that full vibrance of that color. Now for the last circle, I'm going in with this pastel pink color. Make sure that you are painting every inner corners of it and don't leave any bits and pieces so that it would give your piece that clean finish. And lastly, I'm going in with turquoise blue color. In general, Leap-In Art holds very deep-rooted Indian history to it. This particular art form has been originated around 700s, 800s years ago. Now that our painting is all done, I'm just going ahead and defining those edges with white acrylic paint, and we'll be just going ahead with 1 coat of varnish. It would give your piece that shiny and glowy effect and would prevent your piece from chipping, and keep it aside for 1 or 2 hours for drying. At the time it was developed by Kumbhar community, which means earthen pot maker. People back then used to just create it to brighten up their home and huts because it involves so many vibrant colors. It is so crazy that we are still carrying forward that history. So now coming back to our piece, now we'll be moving ahead with the best part of it, adding mirrors, lots of it. And you could just play with it because by the end of it, it is going to look so pretty and so beautiful. So this is how it has turned out. It has turned out very pretty, right? I had so much fun doing this with you guys. You can tell me in the comment section what do you guys think about it. Yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope that you have guys had fun watching this video and found this video helpful. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.